Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create interactive lessons using Canva. Let's dive in. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating interactive lessons that can engage your students and make learning fun. With Canva, you can design everything from quizzes to interactive presentations. First, let's explore Canva's presentation templates. Presentations are great for delivering interactive content to your students. Search for presentation templates in Canva's template library. Choose a design that fits your lesson plan. You can customize it with your own text, images, and even videos. Customizing a chosen template. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. This is where you can make the lesson truly interactive. Add interactive elements like hyperlinks, buttons, and embedded videos. These features can make your presentation more engaging and interactive. Quiz templates in Canva. Next, let's create a quiz. Quizzes are a fun way to test your students' knowledge and keep them engaged. Search for quiz templates and select one you like. Customize the questions and answers to match your lesson content. You can also add images and videos to make the quiz more interactive. Infographic templates in Canva. Now, let's design an interactive infographic. Infographics are perfect for displaying information in a visually appealing way, and adding interactive elements makes them even more engaging. Look for infographic templates and pick one that fits your topic. Add interactive elements like clickable icons and embedded links to make the infographic more engaging. Adding animations and transitions. Don't forget to experiment with animations and transitions. These features can make your lesson more dynamic and engaging. Choose animations that enhance your content and make it more visually appealing. Use transitions to smoothly move between slides and keep your students engaged. Lastly, make sure everything is organized and easy to navigate. A well-structured lesson is key to effective learning. And there you have it. Your interactive lesson is ready to engage and inspire your students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.